Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 or 4 of the top cryptos and what they're doing right now. These are cryptos that are breaking out, that are their price action is crazy good, and we're going to talk about them. I'm going to highlight a few of them. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. And I genuinely appreciate you and your support of my channel. So thank you very much for giving me this voice in this crazy crypto world. If you're interested in my Patreon level, links are in the description below. If you're looking for support, help in your crypto journey, guidance on crypto, your portfolio, you want me to help you with that. You want to see my portfolio. You want alerts when I buy, when I sell. You want to model it. You can. You can join it, cancel it anytime. If you want to join tomorrow, that's when everything kind of resets on a monthly level and kind of going forward. So hopefully we'd love to see you there tomorrow if that's something that you're of interest in. There's content that I only share it with my private members, like hot crypto alerts, things like that. And I have a Discord community wrapped around it. It's a community to support you and everything like that. Okay, so with all that said, let's take a look at the overall state of the union, what's going on. Here's the thing. I have resorted. If you go to CoinMarketCap, you can resort right here. I've just resorted the 7-day, kind of looking at a few of these here. Like Arweave is an interesting one, making a massive run up. CeeLo, Rivane, Solana is one we're definitely going to talk about. Phantom is on a run as of recent. My buddy Zach did a video on them today. I want to dig into them a little bit and maybe in another video, but these are some interesting ones that are absolutely running right here, right now. And I would point out that if something's running like in the 7-day column, but it's like, look at Phantom. See how it's 7-day, but it's also kind of taking a break right now in the last 24 hours. I view that as a 17% discount from its, basically where it's been, right? Okay, so just FYI, you might want to take a look at a few of these. We're going to talk about Kusama in this one. But overall, I would tell you that that's a good way to kind of spot opportunities, even though, yes, they're running, and, just kind of get a feel and kind of see what you like there. Okay, so I want to start off with one that I haven't ever really talked about on my channel. I've mentioned it a few times. Polkadot has been on a tear recently, and there's a couple things going on with Polkadot. And so Polkadot and Kusama are kind of in the same boat, so we're going to talk about them. So here's what's going on. So Polkadot and Kusama are both surging ahead over 20+%, and Polkadot was what? 18%, but it's backed off a little bit ahead of the second batch of parachain auctions that are coming. Okay, so Kusama and Polkadot utility coins are ripping higher, adding an impressive 30 and 20% respectively on the last trading day of the time of the writing on August 31st, today, right? So battle for parachain slots is pumping DOT and KSM. So basically, we know that Kusama and Polkadot exist independently of their respective architectures, but they're basically mirror copies of each other. I actually didn't know that. Thought that was pretty cool. Learned something there. So Kusama and eventually Polkadot will introduce parachain auction slots for high-quality investor popular projects. So mostly this article is about Kusama, and about the Kusama auctions begin on September 1. That would be tomorrow, ending 4 weeks later on September 2/9. Ahead of this competitive slot auction, analysts across the board expect bullish pressure on KSM and DOT coins. Okay, so this looks like, per this information, that DOT will potentially continue to run. Okay, and if you look at kind of where it's at today, it's at 29.92. It's been as high as 31. So right here, right now, it's at its high. Okay, so that's what's going on. That, by the way, market, you can pretty much get DOT anywhere. COINBASE, Binance, Kraken, KuCoin. I'm assuming crypto's on here as well. Just kind of continue on crypto.com. Yeah, pretty much you name it, you can get it. Okay, so just FYI, there you go. It's everywhere. Okay. So let's take a look. Where was I? Overview. Yeah. Okay. So that's Polkadot, and also to talk about this is Kusama. So Kusama is in the exact same boat, right? This piece of content is talking about these parachain slots pumping DOT at Kusama. This is obviously going to continue the run. Both of these are worth keeping an eye on, because what is going on here? We have a catalyst that officially starts tomorrow and runs until the end of the month. Okay, so something to keep an eye on, that it very likely could potentially continue a run of some time. Now look, the high has been 416 right there, the high. So you can look and see where the high of 416 Let's see, 1 year. Let's look at the 1 year, 1 year low and high. So the high has been all the way up to 623, and the low has been all the way down to $23. Okay, so right here, right now, 24-hour high, we're at 416. So it's already proven that it can go to 623 and change. Okay, so that's a pretty nice, significant bump. So for those of you guys looking for other competitor, other competitor blockchains, Kusama, Polkadot are both viable options. You guys know I'm a fan of plays like this, and why I like Cardano. It's why I like Ethereum. I like owning the foundation of the proverbial house. Polkadot and Kusama are definitely, each respective in their own light, very, very good coins and very interesting projects overall, and a lot of stuff moving around them. So just, again, want to highlight that. Okay, so let's talk about Solana, the one that everybody's been talking about. Now, Solana has hit in the last 24 hours a high of $130. So it is absolutely backed off of that. It has been on an insane tear. Honestly, I do not own this one, and I'm kind of wishing I had bought back around here. I looked at buying Solana when it was back around $30. So I looked at it, didn't buy it, life happened, etc., right? And kind of wishing that I had, because it has traveled all the way to its high of 130, and I think that's probably, that's its all-time high. 130 is its all-time high. Okay, so something to think about. Oh, here's why. Apologize. Duh, Austin, forgot what the hell I was talking about. Here's why Solana is making huge gains. If you were looking for it, here you go. There is a right here. Solana's recent gains appear to be driven by excitement surrounding decentralized finance initiatives and the recent announcement of a mysterious event from the cryptocurrency's development team. The team published messages on its social media sites on August 27, hyping an event dubbed, quote, Ignition. Whatever Ignition is, it's set to take place tomorrow, and this article was written yesterday. So the article is taking place today. I haven't heard anything. I haven't seen anything. Solana's team published messages last Friday indicating that I haven't seen anything as of right now. Not much is known about the event, but again, it got hyped from the event, and so maybe, let's see, token burning effectively. Let's see, hold on. Oh, here we go. Not much is known about a Ignition event that the team has planned, but some cryptocurrency analysts and enthusiasts have speculated that it will be a token burning event. Token burning effectively removes, we know what that is. Okay, so the event has been promoted with the tagline, "The sky's the limit, what will you launch?" That's been the tagline. The sky's the limit, what will you launch? With the kind of promotional branding, it's also not unreal to think that the Ignition has something to do with the introduction of new smart contract or application building features on the Solana blockchain. So very cool, okay? So let's continue to watch it and see what we see. But that's what's going on with Solana. Pretty interesting news there. Ethereum continues to do well. You guys know I'm a huge fan. Ethereum is my largest holding, continues to move up. Its 24-hour high today has been 3,466. So it's backed off of that just a little bit. I think the overall markets are a little bit soft right this second. So we peaked this morning and we kind of backed off of that. But I'm definitely liking what I'm seeing Ethereum long term. We know that Ethereum is going to go to 6, 7, 8, 9,000. That's what everybody's pretty much saying, it readily agreeing that it's going to go to. So yeah, so we got some good ones here. Obviously, we've been kind of having a blockchain theme today, right? Polkadot, Kusama, Solana, and Ethereum. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I truly appreciate you. Thank you for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. I'll see you later.